Next one, just an idea, sir. Now, if you see here, this is the question. How many elements in the set 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 4 ones are perfect square? Any perfect square is of the form 4 into something or 4 into something plus 1. Any perfect square will be of the form 4k or 4k plus 1. 4k, it is 4 into 2 plus 3. All the last two digits are 4 into 2 plus 3. So answer is, there is only one number which is a perfect square, and that number it is 1. Rest are all the numbers. The divisibility rule of 4 is, last two digits should be divisible by 4. So 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 4 2s are 8 plus 3. All are 4k plus 3. Easy question if you know the logic. How many numbers are perfect squares? Any perfect square is of the form 4k or 4k plus 1. First property. What is the second property? A perfect square unit digit can never be. A perfect square unit digit can never be 2, 3, 7 or 8. 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square, last two digits will always be 25. If it is ending with 5, last two digits will be, or you write down like this, sir. These are all, a lot of sessions we did it based upon these logic, so I am not spending too much time. So if the tens place, if the units place, if it is 5, if the units place, if it is 5, tens place will be 2. Tens place will be 2. Units place 5. Why? Because 35 square is 35 into 35, odd 5 into odd 5, 25. If it is 65 square, even 5 into even 5, 25. Last two places, if it is a perfect square and the units place is 5, tens place is always 2. 15 square is 225. 25 square is 625. 35 square is 1225. Any perfect square ending with 5, tens place will always be 2. Tens place will always be 2. Now see here, we will use that logic. A perfect square never ends with 2, never ends with 3. A perfect square will always be of the form 4k or 4k plus 1. Last two digits will be 25. Again, how many elements in the set are perfect square? Only one. This question uses the fundamentals of perfect square, n equivalent to 3. Now these are all very, very easy, some exam model questions. Fatafat will solve, sir. Find the last two digits for the following. 2, 3, 89 square. I want 89 square. 89 is 100 minus 11 square. What is the concept we discussed? X square, 100 minus x whole square. Last two digits will be same. X square, 100 minus x whole square. Last two digits will be same. Last two digits will be same. So answer is 11 square, which is 121. Easy question. We are discussing the exam model questions from a speed calculation. 542 square. Only the last two digits we require. 42 square, which is 50 minus 8 square. Last two digits will be 8 square. 8 square, it is 64. 8 square, it is 64. Idea clear? 8 square, it is 64. Next one, 176 power 4. What is the logic we discussed? 76 power any natural number. 76 power any natural number. Last two digits will be 76. 76 power any natural number. Last two digits will be 76. So answer for this question is 76. Otherwise you have to do 76 power 4. 76 square into 76 square. 76 square. Last two digits will be equivalent to 24 square. Why? Because 76 is 100 minus 24 square. These 76, these 76. 76 divided by 100 minus 24 minus 24. 76. All these you don't need to do. 76 power any natural number. Last two digits will be 76. Last two digits will be 76. Now, this we discussed in the speed calculation class for the enrolled students. What is that I discussed? X cube and 50 plus x whole cube. 50 plus x whole cube has the same last two digits. 50x cube, 50 plus x whole cube has same last two digits if x is even. Only if x is even. X cube, 50 plus x whole cube, it will have same last two digits when x is even. X cube, 50 plus x whole cube, they both will have the same last two digits if x is even. Sir, why it will have the same last two digits? Last two digits of a number n, it is the remainder when you divide a number by 100. If you divide a number by 100, you will get the last two digits of that number. 50 plus x whole cube. If I open the bracket, a cube, next it is 3a square b, next it is 3ab square, and next it is b cube. 50 plus x whole cube. Now you will understand it clearly. 50 cube, it is divisible by 100. 50 square, it is divisible by 100. X is even number into 50, it is also divisible by 100. For it to be divisible by 100, x should be even. Which multiple of 50 I should get divisible by 100? 50 into 2k. So x will be 2k. 2k whole square will be 4 into something. 50 into 4, it is divisible by 100. I hope the idea it is clear. 50 cube divisible by 100. 50 square divisible by 100. 50 into even number, it is divisible by 100. Very, very important concept, sir. Most of the students will waste a lot of time. Even in the mock paper, it will be an half-page solution. You don't need this. Directly by looking at a question, you will get the answer. 362 cube, it is 62 cube, it is 50 plus 12 cube. Is 12 even? Yes. So the last two digits will be equivalent to last two digits of 12 cube. Answer is 28. Answer for this question is 28. It's all about knowing the concepts. 62 cube. 62 cube is 50 plus 12 cube. X cube 50 plus x cube. Last two digits will be same.